Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vinuta MN. I am from Basveshwar Nagar, Bangalore. Today, I am here to tell few words about the Diploma in Nursery Teachers Training (NTT) is excellent in teachers and course. The faculty is very good and professional. One of the best institute to join for NTT at Rajaji Nagar. Here, they share informative and inspiring teaching by amazing and experienced teacher. We got knowledge towards art, craft, puppet shows, etc. We all are very much happy to learn all of this. All faculties are very well experienced. They all train us very nicely and encourage us very well. Coordinator plays an important role in this entity. Coordinator are very much cooperative, helpful, and they help us a lot in completing entity course successfully. Teaching role plays a very important role in every school. By joining this entity course, today we have gained lots of knowledge in the terms of preschool management, child psychology, communicative English, and all other things like puppet show, the puppet show and other things and all like art and craft. It plays a very important role. Working, my own example is working for companies takes a lot of time to travel, and the timings, the where we work, where we are joining in entity course help us to become a teacher. And once we joined in this school, teacher can reach their home on time. They can also have their own time to spend with their families. I have chosen this entity training and it is very excellent. Thank you very much.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಶ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನು NIECCನಲ್ಲಿ NTT ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲಿ ಟೀಚರಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಸರ್, ಸತೀಶ್ ಸರ್, ಮುನ್ಮುನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಸಹಿತ ಅನಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಹಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi everyone, I am Geeta Devi. I have chosen this course